Okay, now, this is the same Fred's Fire Truck Kiddie ride by R.G. Mitchell. Last time I filmed it was jammed, so, let's hope it's not jammed. Okay, so, let's go, hope it isn't jammed. Okay, good, it's not jammed.
When you're ready, press the start button.
Oh, it has a different base. There's the fire truck. There's Fred. Good, it's working now. Go back and forth, but it has a rocking motion now. So, oh, that's going off. Oh, look how long this goes. And there you can see that they sanitize this.
Thanks for riding with us. Come back soon.
And that was the Fred's Fire Truck Kiddie ride by R.G. Mitchell, sighted at Kirkwood Mall in Bismarck, North Dakota.